I'm as welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make screen recording videos on laptop. First of all, you have to open the snipping tool. Okay, then you will get start to make videos. So today I will teach you how to make videos in OneNote. Okay, so this is the OneNote software. You can make videos on Word, MS Word. Okay, in the same way, these tools will be visible in Word as well. In Word as well, so you can make videos there. So here we go. First of all, if I will click on this insert, so the various options will be available for you guys. And the first one is table. Then you can make tables, okay, by clicking on it, and like in this way. Then if I will click on this file, you can upload anything on your screen, okay. From here, then you can print them out. Here is the pictures options. You can also insert the pictures from file, from camera, from online, okay, as well, if you have an internet access. Here is the online video option. You can choose any online video options for your convenience. Here is the link. You can insert any type of link here. And here is the audio. You can also mix the audio while recording in OneNote software. Here is the meeting details. You can write down all the meeting details here. These are the symbols if you are teaching mathematics or other physics extra. You can use the symbols, okay. Five equations, mathematical equations, stickers are there. If you are making any types of memes, then stickers are here. Research it is also available. Forms are also available here. Then the next one is draw. If you will tap on the draw button, here the various tools will be visible on your screen. So the first tool is this one. This is eraser. If you will write down something, it will erase, okay. So here are various pens you can use while you write down something on this. For example, 2, 3, 4, you can write anything. If you will click this one, and then you can write anything, okay. If you want to bring shapes, then you can also easily, you will bring shape easily, okay. Ink to shape, there are many tools which are available on this software. So you can easily make videos, recorded videos on your laptop. Thank you so much, viewers. Thank you so much. Please tap on the subscribe button.